Do you know what your main mistakes are when performing statistical calculations on a scientific calculator? At the end of the video, I'll answer the question. Without further introduction, follow the instructions step by step. To enter data into the calculator, you must set it to statistics mode. It's fantastic to use the calculator to check your results during exams or homework. But there are very common mistakes, such as confusing the standard deviation of a sample versus a population, entering data in the wrong order or ignoring their frequency, using the wrong mode on your scientific calculator or failing to clear previous records. And you, what mistakes have you made? I'll read your answer in the comments section.